Whether you're new into the sport or you're an advanced snowmobiler, SNOTEL sites are your best friend. They offer a lot of information, and now it's integrated right into onX Offroad. So I'm going to dive into it. A lot of cool things that I check out often are snow depth, temperature, and water equivalent. So snow depth is obviously fun because we get to see what the storm is doing day by day. And the temperatures all relate to what the avalanche scene is doing. So, you know, if it's a warmer snow, it's compacting more as the day goes on. And then water equivalent shows the volume of the snow. So if there's 7 inches of water equivalent and 27 inches of snow, you got a lot of volume in that snow. If there's 27 inches and there's 4 inches water equivalent, it's really dry snow. So it's a pretty cool thing to pay attention to with in relation to avalanche forecasts. So some really cool things to check out there. So I'm constantly looking at the SNOTELs and seeing what they're doing across the Northwest. I mean, if an area gets hammered 3, 4, 5 feet, I'm gonna go there, and the SNOTEL is a great indicator of what's happening in the area that you're in, and also the Northwest. There's hundreds of SNOTEL sites.